how you can play CarX Street on your PC. So for that you will need an Android emulator like BlueStacks. So I'm going to show you how you can set it up first. First, open any web browser you have. I'll just open the Google Chrome and then search for BlueStacks download. And once you search for it, just tap on the message right here and click on this see all versions, and from here you can scroll down and you can download this one that says Android 11 64 bits, and after it's downloaded to your PC you can install the application. So once you have installed the application, it will launch like this, and your multi-instance manager will this will be open by default, so you can click start here. I'm right now running the BlueStacks, so it's showing stop, but if you aren't running, this will show start, so you just click on start and then your app player will be running. Once you are in your app player, you can click on the system apps and go to Play Store, and at the very first this will ask you to sign in, but I've already signed in. So once you sign into your account like this, you can go and search for the game CarX Street and then tap on the link, and from here you can install it on your device. So right here you can see you can just click on install, and while this is installing I'm gonna show you a few methods from by doing which you can enhance the performance of your PC. So just tap on these three dots on your app player and then quickly pop up the settings menu, and under performance you can see you can change your CPU allocations to high. So if you do this, your performance will be enhanced and your CPU allocations is up to the highest settings. And you can also change your memory allocations. I've already selected it to the enhanced one, the very best one. And for the performance mode, if you have a low-end PC, you can choose it to balanced or low memory, or if you have a high-end PC, you can keep it to your high performance. And once you do that, you can go to the display and change the display settings or display resolutions according to your choice. And you can choose the mouse cursor style as well. And once you go to the graphic settings, you can change your graphic engine mode to performance. This will boost your display graphics performance. So once you do that, you can go to game settings, your devices, and you can change your microphone access or your speakers if you have external speakers. And then if you go to phone, you can choose what kind of phone you want to show this BlueStack as. So as you know, it is a Android emulator, so you can choose from all of these phones. So I'm just gonna click on this one right here, and once you do that, you can just click on save changes. After doing all of these, your gameplay will be enhanced and your settings are to the best performance. And once you have downloaded the app, it will basically show up in the home screen right there. So let's check. Once you have downloaded the app, it will show up right here and you can easily play the game on your PC. And that's how you can play CarX Street on your PC. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.